In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove custom fields in GoHighLevel. Whether you're looking to tidy up your contact information or simply streamline your data management, removing unnecessary custom fields can help keep everything organized and efficient. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to go to the GoHighLevel dashboard. This is the central hub for managing all aspects of your account, whether you're dealing with contacts, campaigns, or other crucial parts of your business operations. Familiarizing yourself with the dashboard can really boost your productivity in using this platform, so take a moment to navigate around if you're new to it. Once you're at the dashboard, the next step is to locate and click on Settings. You'll typically find this option in the sidebar, presented clearly to give you easy access. Clicking Settings takes you to a space where all the customizable options reside, allowing you to tweak everything from your workflow automations to your contact details. Within the Settings section, follow through by clicking on Contact. The Contact option is your gateway to managing all the fields associated with your contact list. Here you can view, add, or remove fields that pertain to individual contacts, tailoring your contact records to better suit your business needs. Now look for the field that you'd like to remove and click to highlight it. It's important to ensure you're selecting the right field, as removing a field will delete the data associated with it across all of your contacts. This is a crucial step, so double check to make sure the highlighted field is the one you intend to delete. After highlighting the field, proceed by clicking on Delete. GoHighLevel usually asks for a confirmation before the deletion is finalized, just as an extra precaution. This confirmation step is vital to prevent any accidental deletions, helping you maintain the integrity of your data. Once you've finished deleting specific fields, you may want to review everything by clicking on All. Viewing all fields gives you a comprehensive look at what's currently in place, which is helpful for identifying any additional unnecessary fields you might want to address. By keeping your custom fields up to date, you ensure that your data remains relevant and manageable. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to removing custom fields in GoHighLevel. With these steps, you have all the tools you need to maintain a neat and efficient contact list. Remember, regularly reviewing and updating your custom fields can lead to a more organized system and might even boost your overall productivity. Thanks for joining me in today's walkthrough, and I hope to see you in our next video where we'll continue exploring more features to enhance your GoHighLevel experience.